Hi everyone and welcome to this video, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Well, today we are going to talk about cupping, and this is for face or body. You can use them. I've used these couple of weeks now and I think I can do a good review, or I can talk about how I feel and my experience with these. Now if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you want to see how I use this, please keep on watching. Okay, the biggest one that I have here, I use it for my body. I don't use it for face because I kind of find it too big. I don't know if you can use it. If you want, you can, but I think it works better for my body, and I've used this on my legs. Now, I used it with this oil. I talked about this one before. This is Royal Body Oil from Maria Åkerberg. I don't really like this oil. It doesn't really sink into my skin. It just stays on my skin and it smells nice. It just doesn't work on me. So I've used this. I'm almost finished because I didn't want to throw this away, and it does cost a little bit. So I've used this on my legs to use with this cupping now, or cup. Now it works, but you have to use it not only once or twice. You just need to keep on using it for a while. Now I try to use this every day at night, and I kind of felt after 1 week that my skin on my legs is kind of sensitive, so I used it every second night, and it does work. It takes some time, but I love to use this on my legs, and it does work. Take away a little bit of the cellulite and uneven skin. And I do like it, and I do recommend it. Now there are a couple of places where you can buy it. I will put link down below where I purchased this one. I didn't buy it from the same website. For my body. Now let's go over to the face, that I'm going to show you also how I use them. Now for my face I bought these two, and I did order these on Wish. I did find them online. I will put link down below, but they were kind of pricey and I wasn't really sure if they will work and how I will feel about them, so I ordered them from Wish, and I can say really I can't compare from Wish and from other websites if the quality is good, but these work. So for me they did work. And how did they work? Well, I felt like my skin was more even and looked more fresh and awake, and I'm going to show you how I use them. I do use them almost every night, and I like them. I really like them. I feel like they did plump my skin, or my skin feels more even. Now I use this one more than I use this one. I saw in other videos that people use them under the eyes. I have wrinkles under my eyes and I have a lot of the skin, and I don't feel like it's kind of comfortable using it under my eyes, so I stay away from this one. But this one I use a lot. Now I use this with this oil, face oil. You have to have oil before you can, because it's not going to attach, it's not going to work with only moisturized cream. So you have to, even if you use for the body, you have to have an oil so it can glide easier on the skin. Now I use this from what it's called, Monuskin Firming Fiji Facial Treatment Oil. I love this, and it does it says here all you need to tone and firm tired and dehydrated skin. I love this one. So let me zoom in a little bit, put my hair away, and just show you how I use these face cups. So as you can see, I have nothing on my skin. No makeup, no face cream, nothing. Clean skin, this is how it looks. And I'm going to take this oil, 2 pumps. You need a lot of oil. I'm going to warm it up and then place it everywhere on my skin. And I'm going to use more because it's going to make the cup just slide easier. You need an oil that doesn't sink into the skin too fast. It doesn't matter if it sinks into the skin, because you can wipe it off or wash your face afterwards. So, and a little bit down on my neck. Then I take this bigger cup and press it a little bit, and then onto my skin and release, and just go. Press, and I go upward, and it feels so nice. Now I do this on one side for 5 minutes, not longer, and this feels so nice. And my face does get red a little bit, but it disappears. Now I know that some people use this before they put their makeup on, and I tried it once, and it really makes my skin look more flawless and more even. It's kind of strange, but it makes my pores less visible, I think. Now, of course, you have to use it a couple of times before maybe you notice big difference. But I'm going to use it just on one side, so maybe you can see the difference between the sizes on my face. I don't know if you can notice, I didn't use it for 5 minutes, but I don't know if you can notice some difference between the sizes. This one is more, of course, red, but it looks more plump and more even on this side. It looks more awake. I don't know if it shows on the camera, but I really like this. Now the smaller one you can use under the eyes. I really don't, but you can use it on the nose, because the bigger one, it's harder to get grip of the nose skin, or the skin on the nose. And under my lips, or under my lips, under my nose. Now, of course, you can use it on the lips too. On the smile line. Had to press, put, release. So I'm going to take the other side. And because I'm used to these cups, I'm using more pressure. This feels so nice. And I found that this wrinkle that I have on my forehead is not as deep as it was before. So it does work, but you have to use it. Maybe if you don't want to use it every night, every second night, because it does take about 5 minutes or 5 minutes. But you can use it a day or night, depending what feels good for you. I know that some people use it every day before they put their makeup on. I don't have time for that. Maybe at weekends, but not when I work, because I do take some time to put my makeup, and I don't need a one step more that takes more time. I don't have that. So these do work, but you have to use them every night or every day or every second day, what works for you. But I do like them and I do recommend them. I will put link down below where you can purchase these, and the bigger one, of course. Now I don't know, I've seen people using this for the face, but I don't feel comfortable using this one. It's too hard, and it works better for my body, my legs, and I feel like my face is more plump and I feel more awake. I will put in all the information down below how this really works and what it does to the skin, so I don't make this video too long, but you can read it down below. Please let me know what you think, and if you want me to try something else. But I do like this, and I do like how my face looks like and feels after I've used them. I'm going to clean my face from the oil. That's everything that I had for you today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't. Please don't forget to press that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos and when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!